Hello again. Right, I'm back for the last entry for today, and this is entry number 32 into my 60th birthday challenge. And this is from my lovely friend Kay, who is Kazeekins1. Now, I've known Kay more or less all the time I've been on YouTube. She's one of the first people that I've got to know, and yeah, she's the most loveliest lady. If you don't know her, I know a lot of my subscribers will know her, but if you don't know her, please pop across to her channel, because she does the most amazing things. Her beadwork, she does lots of beadwork, and it's just absolutely fantastic. And more recently she's got into trying her hand at mixed media, and she's really good at that as well. She just, anything she turns her hands to, she's good at. She's one of those sort of ladies, and she's a lovely lady with it too, and she does lots of tutorials, and they're always excellent tutorials. She explains things ever so well and speaks slowly so that you understand, and she's just wonderful lady. So thank you ever so much, Kay. Oh wow. Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Heck. Oh, noodle. Look at this. Thank you. Oh, look at that. How cute is that? Oh, starting in April. That is little, it's a little standy up thing. Oh, love it. That is so cute. And Kay's work is absolutely faultless. Yeah, everything she does, it's perfect. Oh, look at this. I love this. Flower. Excuse my filthy nails again. That is gorgeous, Kay. Wow. Look at the shimmery paper. I only just noticed that. Look at the shimmery paper. It's like very fine texture. It's not corrugated, but it's like textured glittery paper. I love this. That's beautiful. Thank you. Love that. What else have we got? Another one with noodle on. Ah, right, so I can open this one. Just had a gander in the box. Just to say, oh, how cute is that? That's lovely. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Kay says congratulations, and she says good luck to all taking part. So good luck everyone from Kay. Thank you very much. That's lovely. What else have we got? Oh, this is right. This is the entry. Nice bit of tissue paper. Oh wow. Oh, to a very special person. Hello, friend. Oh, this is lovely. I'm going to have to take it out. Thank you, Kay. Oh, title Friends, 1 of 1, April 2019, artist trading card. Hello, friend. That's beautiful. Oh, look, it's one of these little girls, UK. Might be. Because don't think the Tim Holtz girls, that might be you. One of those might be you. Oh, it's lovely. And she's used some, it's on sturdy card as well. She looks like she's used some texture paste and some gold shimmery, I think it's picking it up, gold shimmery spray over the top. Lovely little flower. This is lovely paper. Oh, I'm so ashamed of my nails. I need to do something with some pinks and purples and blues, I think. At least then they're going to be prettier, not disgusting brown like I've been digging the garden with my bare hands. Yeah, and then she's gone over the little picture with some glossy accents or something shiny and a little bit of bling-a-ding-ding just there. Gone all round the edges. You're really good at this sort of stuff, Kay. Thank you very much, that's lovely. There's still a load of stuff. Oh, look at this. You made this little peg. I bet you have. I bet you've decorated that. Thank you. Little glassing bag. I don't know whether Kay's made the bag or not. She probably has. So I know you did make some bags. And I'd like to know what ink you used if you've made this. Because was it a couple of years ago you did a video where you were making bags and stamping on them. And I had a go. I couldn't get any of my stamps to stamp properly. Oh, look at that! That's beautiful. Thank you. All textured paste again. Looks like she sprayed different colours on the back. Oh, love it. Gold all around the edge. And this is a beautiful blue. It's not a navy blue, but it's not a royal blue. I don't know what blue you would call it, but it's a really beautiful, it's in between navy and royal blue. It's really gorgeous. I love it. Say all texture paste again. This one called? Oh, this one she made on the 25th of August 2018. It's number 4 of 8 and it's called Dream. That's beautiful, Kay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mustn't forget that one at the back. Right. Birthday card. So we'll leave that one. Ooh, look. Ooh. Nope, shan't open it until my birthday. What's this? Oh, right. Put this across the top. Isn't that lovely? She's fastened it at the bottom. But the little monkey's really stuck tight. That's it. Give it a bit of a tug. Come out, you little monkey. Excuse the rustling. Oh, look at this. Right. That's like a little... That'll go lovely in my book as well, won't it? That's stuck on there with a piece of foam pad. Oh, macarons! My granddaughter, she absolutely loves them. Yeah, Leonie will really like this. That is beautiful, Kay. Look at these. I presume it's dies that you've got. They're gorgeous. Oh, there's so many lovely dies. I've not bought any dies for ages and ages and ages. I make myself stop because it's... I think I just bent that trying to get it out of the packet. Sorry about that. Look at these though. One's got all stitching round the edge and this one's got crosses round the edge and this one's a scalloped edge. That is beautiful. Thank you ever so much. Oh, and this is another thing that Kay does. She just does so many different things. And Kay did last year, she did the 100 things challenge, hashtag 100 things challenge, right? Bearing in mind I'm on number 80 something and I started it almost 2 years ago. Kay did the 100 things in about 12 weeks, was it, Kay? 11 or 12 weeks. She was like Billy Whiz. I'm like, really? She just did so many different things. Oh, look at these, they're gorgeous. Oh, I love them. I've got all that embroidery floss. Have you done it? Yeah, that looks like it could be embroidery floss. And I've just never done them. And I did that little video a few weeks ago. I'm not sure whether you've done them like that or not, but of telling you about how I saw a lady do the tassels with embroidery floss. And I've had this embroidery floss for years and I've never done them. I'd cut a couple of little tassels out and that was it. They were left. I think I'm not a tassel maker. I'm not into tassels, but oh, I'm talking twaddle, I know. Right, let's take one of those off of there. Look how you presented them as well, look. Look at that, they're gorgeous. Oh, I love them. And Kay she's got a tutorial of making tassels as well. She's got loads and loads of tutorials. Like I say, she's just brilliant. Look at these flat back pearly things. Oh, I don't know what to do with this. Shall I open this or shall I wait for Mr. Doodle? Because it says Mr. and Mrs. I think I'm going to leave that for now, Kay. And I'll come back on when we've opened it. Because look, Mr. and Mrs. So yeah, that might be for our birthdays. I don't know. But anyway, so thank you ever so much for everything. You are a darling. Say if you don't know Kay, I know I'm babbling on and I keep repeating myself because I'm in training to be a parrot. Yeah, pop across to her channel and good luck in the draw, Kay. They are really beautiful. Love. Love, 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 love. And this one is really glittery. I don't know whether it's picking that up. So entry 32 from the lovely Kazeekins1. Right, thank you. Take care. Bye.